First of all, if you have watched our Smartphone Awards 2023 video, you will know that this one in my hand has won the title of the best Roktr phone. And the reason is very simple. This is a well-rounded one among the Roktr phones we have tested with upgraded camera system. We all know regular smartphones have started the camera competitions years ago, and I feel that Roktr phones are doing the same thing right now. We have seen 64 megapixel, 108 megapixel, all the way up to this 200 megapixel here on a Roktr phone like this. Now let's get straight to the photo shots. You might have seen this kind of ultra high pixel camera before. The advantage of this 200 megapixel is about the detail of the photos can have if with good lighting. So as you can see, the photos taken by this camera has good dynamic range, the colors are vivid, and you can also zoom in to see many details. Moving on to a more complicated scene, it can capture different colors accurately. It is just as good as those on a flagship regular phones. When it comes to the night shooting, the Super Night mode will come out to help. In this mode, it will brighten up the whole scene and have better control of the highlight to make sure you see more when your own eyes can't. The other two fun shooting modes are the wide angle and macro mode. This is enabled by another camera at the side. It can take a wide building like this and a super macro photo like this. Also, the night vision camera will help with some photos like this if you are constantly out there camping. However, the experience of using this camera is not that perfect. For example, it's a bit difficult to use the zoom. I mean, you can use two fingers to zoom in, but it lags a little bit. If you use the button at the right, you wouldn't be able to see the times of zoom. You get what I mean? I hope this can be fixed. The other thing is that you can add a watermark in a photo on the normal 12 megapixel mode, but it's not available on the 200 megapixel mode. These things are the all software experience. Given time, I hope they will be fixed in a future system update. So this phone has a 6.58 inches IPS water drop screen, FHD plus resolution, 480 nit peak brightness, and 120 Hz refresh rate, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. This screen is as good as it can get on a phone like this. The 120 Hz refresh rate alone should be getting a round of applause. In daily use, swiping back and forth is buttery smooth. FHD plus resolution is also good for watching some video content. Paired up with this large battery, you can really do it all day. This time, the V30 Pro also comes with a high-res certification, so you can enjoy high-quality audio, such as watching videos or play games. And these experiences can be prolonged by this massive 10,800 mAh battery. With that 33-watt fast charger, it will still take a long time to charge, however. I always imagine, if you can, you could be taking photos all day, watching videos all day, go traveling to places without any battery anxiety at all, with this kind of battery built in the phone. This phone also supports reverse charging, so taking this phone out with your other devices, you can charge them without any problem. Again, the operating system in this phone is the original Android 13. The apps came around with it are really simple. You won't be getting any unwanted pre-installed ones, just a very clean experience. And there are also some fieldwork tools like sound meter, protractor, and so on, which also means that there are a lot of sensors built in to maximize the potential of this phone. So if you want to build your own house, use this phone please. Some other features that worth mentioning are the side fingerprint recognition, dual 5G SIM support, advanced navigation system, custom button control. These are like features that are on Doji phones for some time now. Sure, you will take advantage of them a lot. To sum up the Doji V30 Pro, it is the best regular Roktr phone for 2024 so far. It made a leap on the camera system. They do perform like a charm, but the system UI and peak performance still needs to be improved, I would say. That would take some serious tuning and time, and I think Doji will put more effort into it. Let's just wait for a bit. I'm Will Fungus from China. See you next time.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this